Functionality and environmental impacts are my core considerations while choosing materials. Ceilings being one such important element, I vouch for one revolutionary product that's a game changer. VOX Soffit Ceiling Panels. Wondering what sets these panels apart from traditional materials? Using cutting-edge digital thermal printing and dual extrusion layer technology, these panels mimics the natural beauty of wood. And the best part, the texture repeats only after hooping 100 meters, giving that authentic natural feel of real wood. With VOX Soffit ceiling panels, it's easy to maintain and requires no additional chemicals, putty or painting or intense cleaning. And also, it comes with a 10-year warranty with the quality of being impact resistant, waterproof, termite-proof, and even fire resistant. And that's not all. With its endless possibilities in internal or external applications under the roof or unusual roofs like curves or angles, VOX Soffit ceiling panels fit seamlessly, even accommodating light fixtures. So what are you waiting for? Check it out now.